Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: Google Cloud Project, OAuth Client ID, and the N8n hostname. Open the Google Cloud Console and create an OAuth 2.0 client ID for a web application, then add the N8n OAuth callback URL. Once done, copy the client ID and secret. You'll paste them into N8n. Now open your N8n instance, sign in, and navigate to Credentials to add a new Google Sheets credential. You're ready for the authorization step. You now configure the credential inside N8n. Create a new Google Sheets credential, pick OAuth 2, and paste the client ID and secret. Set the scope to at least spreadsheets, read-only or spreadsheets plus Drive. File if you need sheet creation. Then initiate the connect flow. N8n will redirect you to Google to sign in and grant permissions. Make sure you choose the same Google account tied to the cloud project. After approval, N8n receives tokens and stores them securely for workflow use. Finish by testing the credential in a small workflow. Add a Google Sheets node, pick the credential, and request a known range to verify access. If calls fail with 401 or permission errors, reauthorize from the credential screen. Refresh tokens are handled by N8n, but expired or revoked tokens require manual reconnect. If you see redirect URI mismatches, double-check the callback URL in Google Cloud and ensure protocol and host exactly match your N8n.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.